Hi everybody, I'm Sleeping Bear from Sleeping Bear Adventures, and today I'm going to show you how to make Ramen Bomb. It's a little windy out here. We're on the Ice Age Trail and it's winter for a couple more days. For a Ramen Bomb, you need ramen noodles and you need instant potatoes, and I like to mix in tuna crations, any flavor that you want. I'm going to do it 3 different ways today. I'm going to do it on my jet boil, which I use on mostly Appalachian. And then Pocket Rocket 2 I'm going to use, and I use that part of the Appalachian. And then I did cold soaking, which is basically not using any heat at all. Just put it in a bag or some kind of container, let it cold soak. So first thing I'm going to do here is I got my water all filtered and up. It's a little windy, but we're going to try to get this flames going here. There's the Pocket Rocket. A little windy, it'd be nice to have a little windscreen here. We'll get our. This usually comes with a starter on it, but mine didn't work. I replaced it. That one doesn't work, so just use a little mini Bic lighter. It doesn't weigh much, it'll last a long time. We're gonna get those waters nice and hot. Ada made a little cover here, Reflectix. You gotta be careful so it doesn't get too hot there as well. But while that's heating up, I'll show you the cold soak method. I'm going to divide this in 2 different ways. So I've got our Ziploc here. Well, it's just going to go away. That's the wind. Open up the package. I'm going to put a little bit of ramen in here. A little bit. I'm going to save the rest for the other stuff. Put a little instant potatoes in here. And then I'm going to put the seasoning in later. Then just add the water. And then that's just going to hydrate itself. Freezer bags I like because they're a little bit thicker. Just put that in there. We're going to let that soak in. And we'll see how this heats up here in a little bit. Okay, so here we go. This is the Pocket Rocket 2. I mixed in the ramen and the potatoes and the tuna. And I'm going to give it a little bit of a taste here. It's good. And then jet boil still got going. Got everything in there too. I think I added a little bit too much water in this one, so it's a little soupy. Tastes good, nice and hot. And then got the Ziploc bag here. This one got a little bit soupy too. And it's going to be cold. Let's see what it tastes like though. It's good. Ramen noodles, still a little crunchy. Probably go a little bit longer on those. But otherwise it's good. Thing with the cold soaking is you don't need any of the heating materials, but it's going to be cold though too. So it's good. So hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you make your ramen bomb and you enjoy it. Thanks for watching.